Yo, what's up everybody? Today we arrived to Tuban, actually just at the front of the Pepito market in Tuban, South Kuta. You may be familiar. I'm putting my helmet on because safety first, obviously, and we're gonna show you a little bit around Kuta. Starting from Tuban, from the roundabout where is the Fairfield by Marriott, up to beach walk, maybe Pullman, something like that. So normally I will have to walk so far, but today we're gonna drive slowly anyway. You cannot drive fast because there's traffic jam everywhere. So I'm gonna show you. So you will have a point of view how Kuta is big and how does it look like after pandemic times. Okay, let's go.
All right, I will be behind Damian and will be the cameraman today.
Honey, I just realized you have a matching helmet, pink with the pink shirt, huh?
Okay, so yeah, I know that some of you used to stay in Tuban, Kuta, and today we will show you around how it is, especially at the rush hours.
All right, so starting from the traffic junction here, this is where you go left. It will be airport. Going right, it's gonna be Tuban, but we're going straight, which the roads leads to the Kuta Square, Kuta Discovery Shopping Mall, and Fairfield Hotel, and so many other business establishments. A little bit of the traffic recently already. There is like a little junction roundabout with the blue statue of just the blue statue in general. Here, if you go there, there is also German Beach, Fairfield by Marriott Hotel, and some bars just starting from the beginning, from the corner. Here is the Stock. It's just like a beer garden. Also here on the right is the Catholic Church, by the way. Very interesting fact. Soon Horizon also, and the mall, and some other hotels in general. So yeah, that's how it looks like. Lipo Mall is here, and just next to the Lipo Mall is the church. Lipo Mall is not that super popular like it used to be, but it's still not that bad. I remember, you know, guys, during the pandemic times, everything here was totally deserted. I mean, like, it was like totally, I never gave any hope on this place because this was like nobody, nothing here. It was just you could hear your own echo, you know, when it was talking about. But now, definitely, it's getting better. It's still quiet, like, but it's getting better. That's without any doubts. Some nice hotels also here. Like Anvaya, for example, and some other budget hotels. See security officer letting people out because they cannot drive by themselves. They need support from the. That's how it is. Bali Dynasty Resort also here. Many buildings are abandoned, unfortunately. Some of them they recovering, some of them performing pretty well, but many of them they are closed and totally abandoned. However, the sellers from other islands of Indonesia come back to selling the souvenirs and stuff, tattoo places, all of this, money changers, massage ladies as well. So basically, that's how does it look like. Also, most of you may be not familiar with the previous places what we showed you, but this one you should be familiar because this is already the gate to the Discovery Kartika Plaza Hotel, and the mall itself at the front. And of course should be more busier with the tourists here, which is of course happy to see that. However, you know, sometimes it's very busy, sometimes it's not, depends of the day. There's the huge truck going, so better just have to be careful. That's the mall and the bars at the front. During the holidays, very busy right now, just moderate traffic. They open subway. Most of the shops are open. Bamboo Bar here is open. Even some people, happy tourists inside. Water Boom, of course, is here as well. We used to walk here some time ago, a few weeks ago. Now we're gonna have a little spin around Bali Garden Hotel under the totally renovations, I guess. Looks pretty alright. And the bar, some people enjoying their afternoon bintang already. Some of them.
Somebody's smiling at us.
Yeah, maybe somebody recognizes us. Huh? Who knows? You can let me know in the comment section. Anyway, some people walking time to time, like those group of the happy tourists here and there. Recently, if you ask me of the time, is 6:10, so it's slightly before sunset time. To be honest, I prefer have this video right here, right now at this time. because it's still bright enough, not that night. It's beginning of the dinner time. I also don't want to stuck in the fake traffic jam, which I mean by fake traffic jam, I mean sunset traffic jam. Many people, locals especially, they will drive just from the beach, just to home. And that's the kind of traffic what is just made after the sunset for 1 hour. And after that, the situation is just simply like it is now. This is the newest art market in Kuta. And the beginning of the Kuta Square, just at the front where is Maybank and Yoshinoya. And of course, the traffic already started because we are entering slowly to the area of Kuta, what is more popular. Of course, Kuta Square is not really so popular though, but the overall situation after Kuta Square is pretty popular, especially the beach walk. Also, I'm so curious how is the demolition of the Kuta wall going on, so stay tuned. This is the McDonald's, always open, and next to it's supposed to be Matahari, which is closed unfortunately, and there's somebody doing something here. Also, you have to squeeze between the cars like this one. This is how you drive a bike. That's how this look like. It is what it is. Okay, but I have to focus also a little bit. Normally, also in the normal conditions, guys, there's so many cars and the motorbikes park on the side of the street, like this car, for example. But Kuta Square recently is not that super busy. Well, I already made so many videos regarding the Kuta Square in general, trying to squeeze here. I squeezing, feeling like that's the fun of driving a motorbike in general. I mean, I don't really find out it's fun. To be honest, I already mentioned many times, I prefer driving a car, but since we are driving a bike, I decide I'm gonna make some of this content, like this one, driving vlogs. I used to like to doing them during pandemic when everything was literally closed. The Grab drivers, some driving so slow. Have to honk at him a little bit, so he let me go a little bit. Not everybody looking for customers. I'm just trying to make a video, not asking you to pick you up. Hey, you wanna have a ride? Anyways, we already two driving on a motorbike. Anyways, Granina Hotel here at the front. More and more tourists walking, and they doing something with the legendary Kuta Gate. As I mentioned previously, I have no idea what they actually doing. But they are doing something. So that's the view of the sunset. Construction, traffic jam. They demolished the wall actually. They demolishing more outside. They demolishing. However, they built recently something like 75 centimeter tall, maybe 1 meter tall. So they didn't demolish it, but that's little protection. But they demolishing the wall. Just literally they demolishing. Traffic situation, it is how it is. It's kind of busy, but definitely this is Kuta. So this is what you expect. Hard Rock Hotel, squeezing a little bit, people crossing the road with lady, with baby. So that's how it is. You have to have eye open everywhere. The guy casually driving with his horse. I hope so he's not gonna get scared. And yeah, that's how does it look like. Kuta Square, Kuta Beach area is not that busy today, I'm gonna tell you. However, look at this. Wall is demolished, and recently you can see the sunset while driving. And yeah, that's
looks
interesting.
prettier. I like this one much
It looks better.
though.
I mean, they're still demolishing when they finish, but it's gonna look better because you saw previously the sunset and everything. Right now, you don't see anything, just the wall. Oh no, I made this video last time. There was many controversy. Some people like it, some people don't like it. But this is how it is. It's like some people like Toyota, some people don't like it. You know what I mean? Like you cannot make happy everyone. Meanwhile,
or maybe some people like the monkeys, or some people also not. We cannot make everyone
Of course.
happy.
Of course, me as the content creator, as YouTuber, I have also haters. I know many of you guys love me, but I also have some people who hates me. So far, nobody told me face to face, but in the comment section, definitely. Anyways, Sheraton and Beach Walk Mall. Regarding the traffic, it's kind of calm. I mean, at this time, I was expecting it's gonna be busier. If they're gonna demolish wall here, but I think they're gonna keep going, demolishing up to Seminyak. I think so, I'm not sure, I guess. That's gonna be pretty cool. You leave the mall, you see the sunset, even you stuck in the traffic, you see the sunset. That will be really nice. What do you think, Sayang? I agree with me?
Yeah.
Definitely, isn't it? And that's the front of the beach wall mall. Looks like this one today also. Yeah, you can park the motorbike, of course, here in the parking area. A lot of them. Always people asking me, who is driving these motorbikes? I have no idea. Probably those people who are on the beach or in the mall, or the workers in the restaurants also, I guess. So far, that's how does it look like. Because of here already is more empty gaps. So I guess everybody go to the mall. You can park in the mall as well, but many people don't want to walk so far from the underground parking, so that's why they're parking closer. Anyways, there are some hotels here, of course. Holiday, Wina Holiday. And this is the part of the Kuta what I'm usually don't showing you because it's not really handy to walk. But as I said, today we are driving. I can show you. Also, it's pretty darkish here, but when they're gonna demolish the wall, everything will be brighter. I think it's really good things. But yeah, let's see for the final effect. Little bit of the traffic situation on the right. There is actually land what is not abandoned, but is empty forever. There is just the wall. There was something long time ago, but I'm not sure what. I asked many times of the people on my YouTube. Nobody remember what was there. Just everybody remember the wall there and empty land. Here is the skate park. Also, people skating. If you would like to skate yourself or have a look how they are doing it, is just here next to Mamaka Hotel and the entrance to the Benasari gang. On the other side of the Benasari gang, not from the Legian Street, but the same gang. Mamaka Hotel, there was something different. I think it was Cittadines before pandemic. They sold this. Somebody make Mamaka. Yeah, nice hotel, I guess. Never been inside though, but I guess it's nice. There's also Windham Garden, refurbished as well. Traffic jam, like I said, this is sunset. Traffic jam is starting. This is what I was mentioning before. And of course, there is the Stones Hotel by Marriott. I've been in the Stones actually, really nice, kind of nice. Oh, it's all right. But there is so many shops what was at the front of the Stones, unfortunately, are gone.
Oh, this is a group of domestic tourists in the blue bus.
Yeah, the very popular hotspot for these blue BMWs or buses, kind of BMWs, kind of buses with domestic
And
tourists.
I think this is the cause of the traffic, right?
Yeah, that's the sunset traffic. They leaving everyone one by one, as you can see right now. One bus here, second bus here, guy going to the middle of the street, trying to stop the traffic. Another one's here. So this is how the traffic is made in Bali in general, especially during the sunset time. This is what I was just trying to tell you and wanted to avoid. As you can see, that's how does it look like. So the guy is here. Also, those buses are very loud. People stopping again. That's how does it look like. What I gotta tell you guys. At least now you know. Anyways, also here is the Pullman Hotel by the Accor lovers. Previous was the Stones, is Marriott. This one is Accor. Pullman is here, and this is the corner already where is the beginning of Legian. Also, if you're gonna go straight, there is the place where I often film. Actually, I'm gonna take you spin a little bit because there is the famous Azul Beach Club, and obviously, oh, the wall is disappeared here.
Is also demolished.
Wow!
Wow.
I'm happy as I came. Demolish the wall. But doesn't look already more optimistic. However, yeah, somebody was right. All of the, you see on the beach, all the tents, all the chairs, all the abandoned warungs, this could be also disappear and will look just simply better without it. Something like is in Phuket, for example, or in Pattaya. They only have umbrellas and that's it. But yeah, at least this is already the first step of demolishing the wall. And let's see how does it gonna look like. I didn't know as they started in Legian separately, you know. I have no idea before. But yeah, that's how does it look like. Pretty cool. And anyways, this is the Azul Beach Club and basically already big part of the Legian. So yeah, that's how does it look like in general today. So that's how does it look like when he was behind me filming. If you're concerned about safety, I'm driving when he's filming, right? We're wearing the helmets. Mine is red now because yellow was stolen, just in case you noticed that. And yeah, that's how does it look like. I think also the construction of the wall here, I mean the demolition of the wall, personally, I think it's nice. What do you think as Balinese, huh?
Oh, very nice. And then so you can see clearly the beach while walking here. So pretty nice.
Pretty nice. Let's see how the gonna final effect look like, but I think it's pretty nice. Okay, that was like a short, long drive today. Well, hope so you enjoyed. I will see you tomorrow as always, yeah?
Yeah, for those of you who missed this area, this is it, how it is now. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye!